William, Jake and Sophie TVB. William, Jake and Sophie TV. Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video today. What I'm joining by Jake and Wilson and Sophie plays games. Oh, there's some cashies here. I've got some money in the pizza shop. Really? I'm going away to you. I'm going to be a cooker. What? Yeah. Be a cooker. So what do you go to the kitchen? Just go to the kitchen. Oh, I got cash! It's about the cash. Jake, you just went past the kitchen. I'm actually trying to do my avatar be the same. Oh. I'm gonna bake some. Oh, that's going. There we go. Let's make some. Oh my gosh. This is yucky. On the floor. Let's make some dough. I heard something. You know, I've got cheese. Yeah, we have cheese. No, I don't want that. I'm gonna cut the video when I bake. Guys, Jake, how did he do this? I'll put this in the bakery. No, 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 fire! Get me out of here before I die! Help! Help! Pizza, pizza. See you. Yay! I'm putting my cheese pizza now in the oven. Because, well, I'm kind of new and I'm going to like cut the video when I'm baking. Yeah, look at me. Jake, want to show you something. What do you want to do? Time to dance, Will. Time to do bubbles. Hey! Jake, what do you want to do is like, and then I need to listen to this thing. Yeah. I'm gonna go on my red laptop. Not again! Not again! Don't worry. Not again! Not again! Not again! I'm not doing it well. I'm gonna do it! Okay, that's not funny. I'm gonna do my supply now, so I'm gonna cut the video. Right, off we go! Woohoo! Going back to the team. Good. Yay! I'm gonna put my first class drink on. Oh my god, it's a good view out there today. I know it's. Oh, you hit a tree! You hit a tree! You hit a tree! What is it doing much? Knocking at people's houses, which number they won't know. Driving the house to and this video is going to be called I'm at a pizza shop. Similar to I had a crush in my car. It was like a video. Just a short one, but my car was so bad that it didn't make the damage. Yeah. So instead, we're going to cut the video when we do it. We must get started. I will do it. I got my uniform on. Okay, you need to like deliver stuff. Yeah. We need to get some sun for the other truck. Oh, it's night time! Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Like, as from UT. We'll do another UT. We're going to do a UT poop on tomorrow. Yeah, it's after school. After school? We've got school tomorrow. Yes. Today's Sunday. We didn't do the vid yesterday. We're going to do it later tonight. Yeah. The student application that the actual. Okay, we need to stop. The song Bad Lives Mad City. It was cancelled. So instead, I'm going to cut the video. Made it. Okay, I'll call it because well, I'm a good man. What? I wish I might do bounce, Jake, because Jake is going really crazy at the moment. Yeah, but I see your new bounce yesterday. No, you haven't. So I'll show you. Jump. It can't work with this, so no, it works like that. Look at me, it's twisting. Jake, I'll move up this tree. You park. Can't do it. Okay. Okay, you're not moving like this good. You're turning. Turn. Okay, I'll show you. Yeah. Jake, I'll go on board. I will go. Okay. Jake, park. No, Jake, you're going the wrong way. I'm gonna cut the video. But no. Hey, I'm doing it. Okay. Chest. No! Wait, stop. Okay. Off. It says off. Okay. No, I jumped in! You did not. Oh, there's a car here. I saw a car. Just look at me. Oh, there we go. Okay. Well, I'm going to end the video for this one. No, don't yet. Just look at me. Okay. You're going to sit down. Sit down in my car. Slagney. Where are you? Sit down in my car. I'll show you. Sit down in the front. Lay down. And I'm going to trick you. No. You never me under the water. But there's something else you can do. What? I need to do it one again. I'm going to do something. Okay, guys, if you're don't want to end the video. No, just look at me. Just look at me. I'm going to do this to trick you. You got to hold on to me again. Stay something. I'm going to use the car and try to do something with this. Okay. What do you think I'm doing? Okay, get on the vehicle, my car. Okay. Let's get on it. Okay, let me just go to second at the moment. So, okay, the big water. Yeah. English. Go. Go. What the? Go, just go. Go, guys. No! We died. Well, I got presents. Got presents. TV! Yay! If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, the notification bell to never miss a video. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, notification bell. Jake, wait. What the there? How dare you be up there? Okay, guys, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Jake, can you dance? Okay, try to do some dance. Okay. Okay, look at me. We're going to like CD. It did not work. Wait a second. I can do another one. Okay. Just wait. We just need to do the face one and then we're going to laugh. Bye, guys. Well, just reset. Okay. See you later in the next video. Bye. Jow, and our Michael, YouTubers, Mr. Monkey TV, Northern Plays, and Frosty of Roblox. See you soon. Bye-bye.